I don't have the credentials for this. I'm not a writer. Listen, I just can't. I'm not going to do it right now. I mean, yes, I'm concerned that no one is going to want to read it, but also my dog clearly wants to spend time with me. Here's the thing, it's a software issue. I don't know which software to get. Okay, yeah, I probably could write something that's okay, but I mean, it's not going to be as good as this. But the thing is, I don't have any time. Like there's no free time at all in my world. None. Guys, I totally get it. I promise. If we haven't yet met, my name is Elizabeth Lyons. I'm the author of 5 books, and I am a book coach and co-author for entrepreneurs and high performers. Beyond that, I have run into thousands and thousands of people over the years who have a story that they're dying to tell. And they come up with one of the reasons that you've just seen for why they haven't done it. And I get that because I used to do it too. I questioned my own ability to impact somebody through my own story. I questioned my own credibility. I questioned my own writing ability, and I've been writing my entire life. And then you get one email or one review from someone who says, "Thank you so much. Thank you for telling your story. Thank you for being vulnerable. Thank you for being honest about that little tiny thing that happened to you in the grocery store that was so horribly embarrassing that you weren't even sure you wanted to tell anybody about it. Thank you," because in that moment, I recognized that I'm not alone. And that's what books do. They connect us all. We are all connected through our stories. It's not about being a writer. It's about having a story. So let me help you get that story out into the world.